the latest trends and innovations in smartphones, including new features. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been in the realm of mobile technology, which has therefore seen a rise in both its level of consumer and business use. Not only has it increased at a logarithmic rate over the past few years, but it has also reached a stage where we can't even begin to picture what life would be like without mobile phones and other forms of technology that keep us linked to the rest of the world. The advancement toward a more integrated life with the assistance of technology has only begun, with the current developments in mobile technology focusing on making phones that are better, smarter, and more powerful than they currently are. 5G technology. These days, everyone is talking about 5G. The level of competition is only going to increase as more and more businesses work toward establishing themselves as market leaders in the 5G space. As a result of the intensifying competition, we are making great strides in the development of 5G technology and how mobile phones will make use of it. Improvements in cellular connectivity are necessary for the deployment of most of today's cutting-edge technical capabilities and procedures, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, and augmented reality, AR. As a result of this, 5G will play a pivotal role in the development of mobile technology in the future. In general, there are three primary advantages that 5G offers for solutions that are dependent on mobile devices. The speed of 4G may be quick, but the speed of 5G will blow anything else out of the water that you have ever experienced. The speed that is supplied by 5G networks is typically 100 times faster than that which is provided by 4G networks. Low latency. High speed comes with low latency, which means very smooth connectivity that doesn't slow as much as the 4G. The connectivity that 5G makes available is referred to in the industry as URLLC, which stands for ultra-reliable low-latency communication. Connectivity. Whereas 4G only allows for the simultaneous connection of a few thousand devices, 5G will permit the connection of millions of devices. This paves the way for increased connectivity, communication, and collaboration throughout the globe, and it opens up a world of opportunity. Applications for the Internet of Things, IoT, on mobile devices. The Internet of Things is gradually establishing itself as an important player in the field of international technology. Agriculture, healthcare, and the manufacturing industries are some of the fields that are beginning to see widespread adoption of this technology. Because the Internet of Things applications are advancing at such a rapid rate, it won't be long until we are utilizing this technology in our day-to-day activities. A few instances of how we are going towards an Internet of Things connected world include the use of smart home appliances, wearables, traffic sensors, and other integrated technology of a similar nature. Mobile artificial intelligence, AI. Since 2017, the mobile sector has been concentrating on improving, applying, and integrating artificial intelligence into the devices themselves. There has been a discernible step forward in the way AI is changing the game, and we can see it everywhere from Apple's Siri to Amazon's Alexa. The vast majority of mobile apps, platforms, and websites have incorporated AI-based learning into their respective algorithmic structures. With the help of a system that is powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence, mobile phones now come with an option that allows the settings to be adapted to the preferences of the user. In addition to this, modern mobile phones are capable of understanding voice commands, analyzing visual data, and learning from the actions of their users to provide suggestions, enhance operations, and introduce new procedures. The following are some instances of how artificial intelligence is being employed in the technology of mobile phones today. Applications for recognizing faces used in security systems. Solutions for financial forecasting issues. Ads and recommendations tailored to the user based on their browsing and shopping histories. Medical software able to diagnose conditions and provide courses of treatment. The use of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technology in mobile applications. Mobile commerce. Mobile shopping is currently the most prominent trend in the field of e-commerce, which is a market that is currently moving at a quick pace. As a result, there is a rising interest in various methods of mobile payment. The primary focus is on making it safer, more intelligent, and more practical. The continued efforts of COVID-19 to encourage the rest of the globe to fully embrace digital technology have led to Significant advances in the development of mobile payment systems. People in our modern era prefer to place their orders and pay for goods and services via electronic means, such as making online purchases and using their credit or debit cards. Applications are the means via which modern banks do their business. The availability of micro bank accounts, digital wallets, and software that facilitate money transfers has made conducting financial transactions simpler and more secure for people in every region of the world. In general, a change in the manner that we conduct business and carry out transactions. Dealing with business via social media. Do you remember when Facebook and Instagram were just a couple of different apps for sharing photos and status updates? You may link a plethora of business apps to Facebook to make running an e-commerce business on the site easier. Facebook's modern-day version of a marketplace includes shopping choices. Instagram is following suit with its various possibilities for virtual stores, among other things. It's already occurring, but the next big thing will be doing business on social media platforms. The social platform function of businesses' use of social media has evolved into a much broader one in recent years. It is difficult to conceive of a legitimate company operating in today's world that does not have an active presence on social media. Through the use of social media, companies interact with, listen to, and have conversations with their client bases. More than 40% of the people living on this planet are active on social media. It is a means by which a large number of people can be reached in a relatively short amount of time. There are a few notable outliers, but generally speaking, the integration of social media and commercial activity is proceeding at a steady pace and proving to be quite beneficial for businesses. Applications for mobile devices that run in the cloud. Devices driven by AI, IoT, or ML need to meet several important needs, one of which is the demand to store massive amounts of data. If all of this were to be saved on phones, there would be no useful memory left for you to carry out other operations and store your data. As a result, there is a requirement for distant servers that can store data and enable access to that data whenever it is required. The prevalence of cloud-based services and storage is fast expanding, and this trend is anticipated to continue unabated through the year 2023. Cloud computing relies primarily on this operation mechanism to function. The remote servers not only provide a place for data storage, but they are also able to carry out a variety of tasks even while the user is connected to them over the internet. The following is a list of characteristics and benefits offered by cloud servers. Streamlining of business processes. Increased capacity for storage. Extremely high levels of computational capacity. Functions that are kept secure across more than one device. More consistent retention of users. Because of the advantages described above, service providers are making significant investments in cloud-based application platforms, which eventually help to advance the cloud mobile era. Super apps. The Android applications of today are being developed to function on a wide variety of ecosystems. The vast majority of programs are made to be compatible with one another, so providing the user with an integrated experience. We can thank China for the development of super apps because it was there that the first program that was conceptually similar to a super app was created. That application was WeChat. It enables users to connect, but it also engages in a wide variety of other online activities, such as voice and text messaging, payments, games, and a great deal of other functionality. The Western world is currently working on developing new applications and improving existing ones to catch up with the concept of super apps. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback in our comment section below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.